Beautiful people, today I'm in the mood of taking a walk this evening, and I want to show you around. I want to show you the beauty of nature. Yeah, so I guess you're ready. Join me. Yeah, this is a tree that was cut. Whenever I see a tree that is cut, I feel pain. I really do feel pain. But the environment is so cool. I'm loving it. Yeah, I'm taking a walk around Barara. No, this is not Barara. This is Mbalala. Mbalala. See the beauty of nature? Beauty of nature. Beauty of nature. Yeah, this place is so cool that it's very good for let me say, for a romantic picnic. You just come with your mat and some drinks, some eats, and you just enjoy the green environment. Yeah, I love the way it looks. When I look at this beauty, I just feel like I want to go back to the village and enjoy the nature, because in town everything is all the green is, you know, taken out, but here everything is green. Green, green, green. Picnic, ooh, it's a picnic. Come for a picnic, come for a picnic, cause it's a picnic. Somebody come for a picnic with me. Yeah, these trees are looking so lovely. They are looking so lovely. Oh, the sky is blue. Love the nature. Yeah, I'm loving this place. I'm loving this place. Let me hope you're enjoying the view.
See the dancing skies. I need you, baby, and your tender touch. When I'm drawn and the world is down, I'll call you. You make me find my way and let me be. I think I'm lost in your smile. I think I'm lost in your eyes. I think I'm lost in every part of your heart. I think I'm lost in your smile. I think I'm lost in your eyes. I think I'm lost in every part of your heart. For better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and health, to love and to cherish. Will you marry me?
I'm in love with this view.
Will you marry me?
This is a very nice place for camping. Someone come for me and we camp here.
When I look in your eyes, I see the dancing skies. I need you, baby, and your tender touch. When I'm drawn and the world is down, I'll call you. You make me find my way and let me be. every part of your heart. I think I'm lost in your smile. I think I'm lost in your eyes. I think I'm lost in every part of your heart. For better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and health, to love and to cherish.